What's the meaning of chopper? Chopper. Chopper.
Chopper. Chopper. A chopper is a type of motorcycle that typically features a modified frame, high handlebars, and a stripped-down appearance. It originated in the United States in the 1940s and 1950s as a way for riders to customize their bikes to better suit their personal style and preferences. Choppers are often associated with counterculture movements, particularly the outlaw biker subculture. They have also been featured prominently in film and television, further popularizing their image and appeal. Today, choppers remain a beloved and iconic aspect of motorcycle culture worldwide.